Hello, my name is Andrew Flusche and I'm your Virginia traffic attorney. If you're charged with an offense that carries possible or even mandatory jail time in Virginia, you may be wondering if you could serve that time on weekends. This is one common question that I get from clients and potential clients. Weekend reporting is going to depend upon a large number of factors in Virginia. First of all, it's going to depend upon the area where your case is pending. So the local courts and obviously the local jail facility will determine a large part about what's possible for weekend jail reporting. The second issue is going to be the actual sitting judge the day where your case is heard and when you're sentenced. Some judges simply don't like to give people weekend time, and some judges are quite flexible on it. And then the final piece of the puzzle really will be the prosecutor. Prosecutors could agree to weekend time, or they could object, or they could have no position at all and not care and leave it in the hands of the judge. So those are the big three factors that we should talk about to determine whether weekend time is possible in your case. So when you talk to me, when you call for your free consultation, we can talk about whether or not weekends could be possible. This occurs a lot of times when we have a person who has maybe a driving on suspended third offense where they're facing 10 days of jail. The law says you have to get 10 days of mandatory minimum jail time, and people want to know if they can serve that on weekends. And that's something we can talk about in your case. Unfortunately, it is going to depend upon those factors such as the judge and the prosecutor, but I'm happy to talk with you when you call for your free consult to see whether or not it might be possible in your case.